Hi everybody, it's Randog here, and today I have the new Masterforce 80 volt max 21-inch cut electric lawnmower. Now I've had this about 2 months, and so far so good, but I want to show you around a little bit here. So this one has the LED lights. It is the push version. It does have 2 battery slots, and I've used them both on 5 amp batteries, 2 of them. Now, for me this is new, because I'm always used to using the gas powered, and I wanted to give it a try because my gas powered push mower finally broke down on me. So I thought, well, let's give this a try and see what happens. Now this one came with the bagger. Just pull that out, push this up, and the bagger goes in. It also has the mulching unit, so you can mulch too. Like I said, it is 80 volt max, and this is the one adjuster. You can adjust it one-handed, pretty nice. So far, like I said, I've had this for a while now, and I've used 2 batteries in it, and I've got almost 2 hours out of it. And of course, now I've also used it on wet, tall and wet grass, and both batteries, and I've got a little over an hour and 2, hour and 5 minutes in there somewhere, but still pretty happy with it. Now this unit wasn't a cheap unit. This was $425 plus tax. It does come with a 4-year warranty on the machine and the batteries. It did only come with 1 battery. I had to buy a second battery, and they had that on sale for $225, and that was a 5 amp battery. So a little spendy, but well worth it. I've had no problems with it. Cuts well, and so far so good. This is the Masterforce 80 volt max, and I did get it at Menards, and yeah, so far so good. But I'll keep you guys posted on it. Alright, well, thanks for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed it, and come back soon. We should have some more products to review. Talk to you later. Bye.